Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin.
Today's episode is called Cooking with Kids. Cooking with kids can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only does it provide an opportunity for quality bonding time, but it also helps children develop essential life skills while fostering creativity and confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, there are plenty of simple and delicious recipes that you and your little ones can enjoy making together. So roll up your sleeves, put on your aprons, and get ready for some culinary fun. Cooking with kids is more than just preparing meals. It's an educational and enjoyable activity that offers numerous benefits. Cooking together provides an opportunity for quality time and meaningful conversations. Children learn essential skills such as following instructions, measuring ingredients, and practicing kitchen safety. Involving kids in meal preparation can encourage them to make healthier food choices and develop an appreciation for nutritious ingredients. Cooking allows kids to unleash their creativity by experimenting with flavors and textures. Successfully preparing a dish can boost children's confidence and self-esteem. Here's a recipe that you might want to try with your kids. Mini pizza pockets. Ingredients: 1 package of refrigerated pizza dough, half a cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, assorted pizza toppings such as pepperoni, diced bell peppers, sliced olives, and mushrooms, 1 egg beaten for the egg wash. Here are the instructions. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with greaseproof paper. Roll out the pizza dough on a lightly floured surface. Using a knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into small squares about 3 inches by 3 inches in size. Make sure you oversee this, or if your child is young, do this step for them. Assemble the pizza pockets. Place a spoonful of pizza sauce in the center of each dough square. Add a sprinkle of shredded mozzarella cheese and your favorite pizza toppings on top of the sauce. Fold and seal. Carefully fold each dough square in half to form a pocket, enclosing the sauce and toppings. Use a fork to press and seal the edges of the pockets. Brush with egg wash. Place the assembled pizza pockets on the prepared baking sheet. Brush the top of the pockets with beaten egg wash to give them a golden brown finish when baked. Transfer the baking sheet to the preheated oven and bake the pizza pockets for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once baked, remove the pizza pockets from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy them warm as a tasty snack, or pair them with a side salad for a satisfying meal. Here are some tips for when you are cooking with kids. Safety first. Teach children the importance of kitchen safety, such as using oven mitts, handling sharp knives with care, and avoiding hot surfaces. Keep it simple. Choose recipes that are simple and require minimal cooking techniques to keep kids engaged and prevent frustration. Encourage participation. Let children take on an age-appropriate task, such as stirring, mixing, and pouring ingredients, to make them feel involved and empowered. Embrace the mess. Cooking can be messy, but don't let that deter you. Embrace the messiness and focus on fun and learning experiences. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate each cooking success, whether it's mastering a new skill or trying a new ingredient. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in building confidence. Cooking with kids is not only a fun and enjoyable activity, but also a valuable learning experience. From fostering creativity to teaching essential life skills, the benefits are endless. So gather your little sous chefs, pick out a recipe, and embark on a culinary adventure together. Who knows, you might just discover a budding chef in your midst.
As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.